Introduction. The stage is set. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around for a tale of innovation and transformation, where technology meets humanity in a dance as old as time itself. Welcome to the era of Industry 5.0, where the boundaries between human ingenuity and robotic precision blur into a seamless symphony of progress. As we navigate through the annals of this industrial revolution, prepare to be enlightened, entertained, and perhaps even inspired to envision a future where man and machine coexist harmoniously for the betterment of society. Act 1. A brief history of industrial revolutions. Our story begins with a brief history lesson, but fear not, dear reader, for this is not your average snooze-inducing lecture. Imagine, if you will, a world where the clanking of metal and the hiss of steam heralded the birth of Industry 1.0. The late 18th century saw the dawn of mass production, driven by the power of steam and water. Fast forward a century, and Industry 2.0 took center stage, introducing assembly lines and electrical power, revolutionizing the way we produced goods on an unprecedented scale. The mid-20th century brought Industry 3.0, characterized by the advent of computers and automation. Factories became digitized, and the introduction of programmable logic controllers, PLCs, automated processes that once required manual labor. Then came Industry 4.0, the age of smart factories and interconnected systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, advanced robotics, and the Internet of Things, IoT, combined to create a manufacturing landscape where machines communicated with each other, optimizing production in real time. Act 2. The Emergence of Industry 5.0. Just when we thought we had reached the pinnacle of industrial evolution, Industry 5.0 arrived to upend our expectations once again. But what exactly is Industry 5.0, and why should we care? Unlike its predecessors, Industry 5.0 is not merely an incremental improvement, but a paradigm shift that places humans back at the heart of industrial processes. According to the European Commission, Industry 5.0 aims to create a sustainable, resilient, and human-centric industrial landscape. It emphasizes the collaboration between humans and machines, leveraging advanced technologies to support and enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. This marks a significant departure from the automation-heavy approach of Industry 4.0, which often viewed human intervention as a bottleneck to efficiency. Act 3. The benefits of human-machine collaboration. Now let's delve into the myriad benefits that Industry 5.0 promises to bring. Picture a factory floor where humans and robots work side by side, each complementing the other's strengths. Robots take on repetitive, dangerous, and physically demanding tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative, strategic, and decision-making roles. Take, for example, the Danish company Universal Robots, pioneers in the field of collaborative robots or cobots. These robots are designed to work safely alongside human workers, performing tasks that require precision and consistency while allowing their human counterparts to use their ingenuity and problem-solving skills. The benefits of Industry 5.0 extend beyond the factory floor. The integration of AI and robotics in healthcare, for instance, can lead to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans, enhancing patient outcomes and reducing the burden on healthcare professionals. In agriculture, smart machines can assist farmers in optimizing crop yields and managing resources more efficiently, contributing to food security and sustainability. Act 4. Sustainability and resilience. One of the most compelling aspects of Industry 5.0 is its focus on sustainability and resilience. In an era where climate change and environmental degradation pose existential threats, Industry 5.0 offers a path toward greener and more sustainable industrial practices. By harnessing digital technologies and rethinking production processes, industries can minimize their environmental impact and contribute to the global effort to combat climate change. The European Commission's vision for Industry 5.0 includes aligning industrial activities with the principles of the Green Deal, ensuring that production respects the planet's boundaries and contributes to a circular economy. This means not only reducing waste and emissions, but also designing products with their entire life cycle in mind, from raw material extraction to end-of-life disposal. Act 5. Transforming the workforce. As we transition to Industry 5.0, the workforce will undergo significant transformation. The integration of AI and robotics will inevitably change the nature of many jobs, requiring new skills and competencies. However, rather than rendering human workers obsolete, Industry 5.0 aims to empower them, enhancing their roles and making work more fulfilling. According to Master Control, the key to thriving in the Industry 5.0 era is finding the optimal balance between efficiency and productivity. This involves refining the collaborative interactions between humans and machines, ensuring that workers can leverage advanced technologies to enhance their performance and creativity. Furthermore, the emphasis on human-centric design means that workplaces will become more inclusive and supportive, promoting well-being and job satisfaction. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, industries can ensure that their workforce remains resilient and capable of meeting the challenges of the future. Act 6. Real-world applications and success stories. Let's take a moment to explore some real-world applications of Industry 5.0 and the success stories that illustrate its potential. In the automotive industry, manufacturers are already leveraging AI and robotics to streamline production and improve quality control. Companies like Tesla are integrating advanced machine learning algorithms to enhance vehicle performance and safety, demonstrating the transformative power of Industry 5.0 technologies. In the field of healthcare, robotic surgical systems are revolutionizing the way surgeries are performed, offering greater precision and reducing recovery times for patients. Similarly, AI-powered diagnostic tools are enabling doctors to detect diseases earlier and more accurately, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. In agriculture, smart machines equipped with sensors and AI are helping farmers optimize irrigation, monitor crop health, and manage pests more effectively. This not only boosts productivity but also promotes sustainable farming practices, ensuring that we can feed a growing global population without depleting our natural resources. Conclusion: embracing the future with hope. As we stand on the cusp of this new industrial era, it is natural to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. The changes brought about by Industry 5.0 will undoubtedly be profound, but they also offer immense opportunities for growth, innovation, and positive societal impact. By embracing the principles of sustainability, resilience, and human-centric design, we can ensure that Industry 5.0 becomes a force for good, enhancing our quality of life and creating a brighter future for all. In conclusion, the dawn of Industry 5.0 heralds a new chapter in the story of human progress. It is a chapter filled with promise, where technology and humanity come together in a harmonious dance, each enhancing the other's potential. So let us embrace this future with open arms and a hopeful heart, confident in our ability to navigate the challenges ahead and seize the opportunities that await. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the era of Industry 5.0. Symphony of man and machine, playing a melody of progress and prosperity. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.